Hi everybody, today in front of me I have this Realme C31 smartphone, and in this video I would like to show the top 3 apps that you can possibly get for it. In prior of starting, I just wanted to note that all the apps that are going to be shown in this video are completely free to use, so you can go ahead and download them for free from the Play Store on your device. So let's go ahead and start. The first app that I was to show you today, it's called PixArt. It's a very famous and awesome app for editing, retouching photos. It provides you with a very vast amount of functions, features that I highly recommend that you go ahead and try yourself. So once you open this app the first time, it will require for you to it will ask you if you want to buy the premium version of it, but you can just skip and close all the windows, all the pop-up windows, and use it for free without any issues. So right now I'll just briefly show how you can use it. Choose the photo from your gallery, for example this one. Skip the premium thing once again. Yeah, it might get a little annoying, but you're able to skip all of it. And here we have all the functions that we can use. Obviously some of the modes and tools are only available at the premium version, but the set and list of functions that we can use for free is pretty vast and notorious. So here you can, for example, do all of these things. If you see this crown, that means that the option is only available at premium version of the app. Here you have all kinds of things you can do with your picture. For example, crop it, change the perspective, curve it somehow, stretch it, disperse it, enhance some of the colors you have, and so on and so forth. Change the saturation. So the functional is pretty vast. You can apply some effects, or for example place the sticker you want. We highly recommend that you download the app yourself and explore it, because as I mentioned multiple times, the amount of features is really notorious. So moving on to the next app, that is called Electron. Basically the app that allows you to monitor and see the state of the battery on your device. It provides you with all kinds of battery information, so let's go ahead and start. Once you launch it for the first time, it will make some introduction, lets you know about some of the functions that it has, and the app is also required you to calibrate itself. So just tap on calibrate, wait for it to scan all the things it needs, press them down, and from now on you will be able to see a lot of useful information about the battery state and condition on your Realme C31 smartphone. For example, what is the nominal battery capacity, what is the current temperature of the battery, the voltage, what is the type of your battery. And once you'll charge the phone the first time, that after downloading and installing this app, it will also provide you with some charging information. There are some pretty modest settings. You can either enter the dark mode if you need, change the unit measurements of the temperature, and etc. Or recalibrate battery anytime you feel like you need to do it. And moving on to the last app for this video, it's called Caffeine. Very easy, simple, short app that allows you to set the sleep timer for your display to never. Because as you will see at your smartphone, if you go to the display settings, choose the screen timeout category. In here, the highest value that you can set is 30 minutes. And if you want to set either 1 hour value or basically set the screen timeout to never, you can just download this app. And here at the first section that is called timeout, just choose infinite value. And that means that as long as this Caffeine app is active and running, your screen will not automatically turn off. So that was it for this video, guys. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, comment, and bye-bye.